Gordon guitar, role model, a little more time. So we love to spend a little more time with role model, great artist here as well. And we will cover this song. We'll start with the capo here set on the 6th fret. So capo on 6. And we have 4 chords that goes through the entire song. Very easy chords as well, so that's great. And if you look at the music video, great one, you will see that he plays in the same way here with capo on 6. So that is a good concept here for this tutorial. Let's start with the E minor. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. D next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Could be a little tricky to get the A here with all the notes right above each other and high up here where the frets are not that large, especially not on my little guitar here. But if you want to do a bar there, it works perfectly fine there. Then try to play a little more on the mid strings there and avoid the open or the E here if you bar that one. So it could go with a bar here from the D string and down. All right, so we have the chords E minor, G, D, and A. And we'll look at the strumming pattern, which is divided into 2 different parts. So we will think pair of chords here. So E minor and G will make up for 1 strumming round and D and A for 1. So let's look at the transition here from E minor to G. And E minor will be played with part 1. So that will be down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And then you move to next chord, the G in this case, and play part 2, and that will be up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So if we go from E minor to G, it will sound like this. And then you apply the same principle here from D to A. So D will be played in the same way as E minor, part 1, down, 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 up, and then you go to A and play part 2, up, down, 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 up. So that is pretty much this song from Role Model called A Little More Time. I'm gonna take you through a couple of rounds and that will end this tutorial. Until next time guys, play tuned.